Hey guys, welcome to another room tour video. This time we will be checking out the room of the Fairmont Hotel in Jaipur. So let's begin the tour. The hotel is following all the COVID protocols and here it says sanitized. In the entrance we had rose petals welcoming us, which was a lovely gesture by the hotel management. The hotel is themed on a traditional Rajasthani Haveli theme, and the design language kind of follows inside the room as well. There's a beautiful mirror on the left. Towards the right, we have the bathroom. Now, this was a huge, massive bathroom, probably the biggest I've ever seen in a hotel. We have two sinks and lots of mirrors. The bathroom had all the amenities that we could possibly need. But the highlight certainly was the giant bathtub. Here we have the separate shower area, including the rain shower and a hand shower. And on this side we have the separate toilet area. Alright, now let's check out the room. The room was quite large and beautifully decorated. We have a huge king-sized comfortable bed and a couch where we could relax and enjoy the television. Over here we have the TV cabinet, the TV. Next we have a work desk and again a beautiful mirror and a study lamp. Over here we have the window and we could get a view of the hotel lawns from here. We were on the first floor. Over here we have cupboards and we have a lounge chair and an ottoman. Let's check out the cupboard. This door opens to the bathroom. And now let's check out the other cupboard. We have an ironing board, an electronic safe and some further storage. So yeah, that's it for the room tour. Thanks for watching.